Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. So on the Natgas chart, we can currently focus on higher as long as price stays above $2.14. Yeah, we talked about that yesterday extensively. Feel free to check out yesterday's video for a little bit more context. In this video, I just want to focus on the shorter time frame. It certainly isn't going great. Yeah, I mean, Natgas is very sloppy and choppy price action here at the moment. Certainly this move down is, even though it created 5 waves to the upside here again, it is a correction where it shouldn't really have had one. Ideally, this third wave should have moved higher. I really struggle to count this as a third wave and this as the fourth wave because we have an overlap with wave 1. Now, in an impulse, that's not possible. In a diagonal structure, that would be possible. Honestly, this count here, I don't trust it because we are in a very, very choppy move. Elliott wave tells us that because some of the things just don't align here. So that just means we need to be ready for frequent changes in wave counts in this correction. This is not clearly impulsive price action. I've been saying that for a while now, that there is something going on here that I don't like. First of all, it's a 1-2-1-2 setup, which isn't great in a C wave. This third wave isn't long enough, and now we have a cut of the wave 4 into the wave 1. So I leave it like that at the moment, indicating that, yeah, I can't leave it like that, can I? Because this is violating rules. Well, I will make a change now, which is, or maybe just temporary. I need to see how price action develops going forward. But what certainly could be the case is that the C wave is unfolding as an unending diagonal because this price action is so choppy and so messy, it can't be a normal impulse unless it forms another 1-2-1-2-1-2 setup here, which would be super bullish, which we'll see. We're observing that, of course, because this is, of course, possible. It could be a 1-2, a 1-2, and a 1-2 setup. I would only believe this, however, if price can be very impulsive afterwards. And if we have 3 1-2 setups, then I don't believe that we are in a wave 4 anymore. Then I think this is already the start of the bull run, in which price is basically supercharging itself for a substantial rally to the upside going forward, yeah? To whatever, $10 plus, yeah, certainly way above the 2022 high here, which was at 950. I mean, someone asked me in the last few days in the comments, how can you, for a third wave rally, which would be the next one, yeah, a decent rally. If this was a wave 1, we came down in a wave 2, yeah, third wave rally, what would be my target of $10 plus? Well, or why do I get to that? Well, very simply, because if this is an uptrend, which it is, wave 1 up, wave 2 down, the third wave would be next. The third wave, by definition, needs to go above the wave 1 high, and that is basically $10. Okay, so yeah, it can take a while to get there. I mean, the Elliott wave is not a something that gives you a time horizon necessarily, because you can't. But anyway, it's price based. Okay. Now, the idea here is, okay, what could it be then? So either a 1-2-1-2-1-2 setup, but that would be very bullish. I don't believe that until proven. What I find more likely is that we're dealing here with an ending diagonal, that the wave 1 is, of course, a 3-wave structure, A, B, C. The wave 2 anyway. The wave 3 would also be an A, B, C structure. So let's see how this is now unfolding. But then again, this needs to stay above 214 to be valid. So that's fine. My comments from yesterday still remain valid. We can focus on higher as long as 214 is valid. And we need that 214 level because we need that flexibility in this wave count because price is very choppy, very sloppy. And that means we need to expect pullbacks where you normally wouldn't expect them and so on. So A wave, B wave, C wave. And that is a count that works where each of the subwaves is a 3-wave move. Then a wave 4 down and a wave 5 would also be an ABC. We'll see if that is going to unfold. If that's the case, then price should, in this B wave, find support somewhere in the region between $2.50, $2.50 and $2.29. Yeah, this would be ideal B wave pullback zone, and then a C wave to the upside could send it higher. So I guess that's sort of something we can look at. But overall, nothing changed. Okay, it remains my view that against 214 we can focus on higher. Below 214 we are looking at a direct move down in a fifth wave to complete this overall bear market, then ideally in the last wave down. At the moment, the idea is this could be a fourth wave in an ABC structure where the C wave is an ending diagonal, and then one more wave down could send it lower to finish off this entire bear market. Yeah, that's my update about Natgas. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.